A strategic onboarding program drives engagement, retention, and productivity. Companies see 82% increased retention from effective onboarding processes. This guide provides comprehensive insights updated for 2025 workplace trends and realities. Onboarding is a strategic process that integrates new hires into company culture, going far beyond paperwork and basic orientation. Beyond basic orientation. Onboarding is a strategic process that integrates new hires into company culture. It goes far beyond paperwork and basic orientation. Foundation for success. Effective onboarding creates a foundation for success. It helps new employees understand their role within the organization. Long-term impact. A comprehensive approach impacts engagement, performance, and long-term retention of talented employees. Excellence rating. Only 12% of U.S. employees rate their onboarding experience as excellent. Early turnover. Of employee turnover happens within the first 45 days. Annual cost. Poor onboarding costs companies millions in lost productivity annually. Pre-boarding. Engagement activities before the official start date. Day 1. Creating a memorable first day experience. 30-60-90 days. Structured ramp-up with clear milestones. Ongoing. Continuous feedback and full integration. Welcome communications. Send welcome emails, team introductions, and personalized care packages. Early access. Provide access to key documents and company information. Anxiety reduction. Early connection reduces anxiety and boosts excitement. Leadership welcome. Personalized welcome message or meeting with leadership team members. Workspace ready. Desk and equipment fully prepared before arrival. Structured agenda. Planned agenda with team lunch and key introductions. Basic training, team integration, role understanding. 60 days. Initial projects, deeper knowledge, feedback session. 90 days. Independent contribution, goal achievement, performance review. Quick adjustment. Peer guides help new hires adjust more quickly to their environment. Cultural understanding. Buddies provide insights into unwritten rules and company culture. Knowledge transfer. Informal mentoring accelerates learning and builds confidence. Team meetups. Regular social events help forge lasting relationships. Buddy systems. Dedicated peers provide guidance and support. Cross-department intros. Building a network across the organization. Understand background. Learn about experience, skills, and preferences. Customize path. Create role-specific training modules and resources. Personal touches. Welcome kits reflecting hobbies or interests. Values. Core principles that guide behavior and decisions. Mission. The organization's purpose and goals. Culture. How people work together and solve problems. Belonging. Feeling connected to the team and purpose. Workflow automation. Streamline document processing and task management. Learning management. Deliver training content through structured platforms. Virtual experiences. Tour facilities and experience culture remotely. Mobile access. Complete onboarding tasks from any device. Personal welcome. Direct messages from senior leaders. Small group sessions. Q&A with executives in intimate settings. Company vision sharing. Leaders communicate strategic direction. Managers drive successful onboarding through regular check-ins, clear expectations, and removing obstacles. They build the foundation for long-term success. Week 1. Daily quick check-ins, end-of-week review. Weeks 2 to 4. Twice weekly scheduled meetings. Month 2. Weekly formal check-ins, progress review. Month 3. Bi-weekly meetings, 90-day evaluation. Creating meaningful connections when team members work from anywhere. Virtual connection. Virtual welcome sessions. Equipment delivery to home. Digital buddy program. Regular video check-ins. Extra support. Virtual office tours. Online social events. Digital resource library. Remote specific guides. Digital integration. Cloud-based documentation. Self-paced training modules. Virtual workspace setup. Time zone collaboration tools. Skills assessment. Evaluate current knowledge to customize training needs. Core training. Product, compliance, and essential process training. Applied learning. Hands-on projects to reinforce new knowledge. Ongoing development. Continuous learning opportunities beyond onboarding. A systematic approach to enhancing onboarding through regular feedback collection, analysis, and implementation of improvements. Collect feedback. Surveys and conversations at key milestones ensure new hires can share their experience while it's fresh. Analyze data. Identify trends and improvement opportunities by examining patterns across multiple onboarding experiences. Implement changes. Refine programs based on insights, creating an ever-improving onboarding experience for future employees. Measure results. Track impact of improvements to ensure changes are creating meaningful differences in the onboarding experience. Required forms. Legal documents, tax forms, and company policies. Digital processing. Secure electronic signatures and document tracking. Compliance training. Data security, ethics, and regulatory requirements. Verification. Ensure all required documentation is properly completed. Retention rate. 82% with good onboarding versus only 45% without structured programs. Time to productivity. 65% faster productivity achievement with proper onboarding compared to 35% without. Employee engagement. 75% engagement levels with quality onboarding versus 40% without proper integration. Referral rate. 70% higher referrals from properly onboard employees versus just 30% without. Information overload. Bombarding new hires with too much information at once. Cultural neglect. Ignoring social integration and company culture. Unclear expectations. Failing to define goals and responsibilities. Remote hybrid teams. Virtual experiences that mirror in-person quality. Digital culture immersion activities. Home office setup support. Departmental consistency. Standardized core processes. Customizable department elements. Central oversight of programs. Scalability versus personalization. Technology-enabled customization. Modular design for flexibility. High-touch elements at key moments. Connection focus. Emphasis on relationship building and belonging. Personalization. Tailored experiences based on role and background. Tech enablement. AI and automation supporting human-centered experiences. Continuous journey. Extending beyond traditional timeframes. Reduced turnover, 45%. Effective onboarding significantly decreases employee turnover, representing the largest ROI component for organizations. Faster productivity, 25%. Well-onboard employees reach full productivity much sooner, creating substantial value for the organization. Lower recruiting costs, 15%. With better retention comes reduced need for constant recruitment, saving significant resources in hiring expenses. Decreased training time, 10%. Structured onboarding streamlines training requirements, reducing time investment while improving outcomes. Higher performance, 5%. Employees who experience quality onboarding consistently demonstrate better overall job performance. Company challenge. Tech firm faced 40% first-year turnover. New hires felt disconnected from culture and expectations. Solution implemented. Structured 90-day plans. Buddy system with trained guides. Leadership check-ins at 30, 60, 90 days. Digital onboarding portal with progress tracking. Results. Turnover dropped to 10%. Productivity reached target levels 20% faster. Employee satisfaction scores increased by 45%. Cultural adaptation. Adjust content for cultural norms and expectations. Language support. Provide materials in multiple languages. Compliance variations. Address different legal requirements by region. Faster adjustment. Percentage of employees reporting quicker adaptation with a buddy. Knowledge access. Improved access to informal organizational knowledge. Engagement boost. Increase in early engagement for employees with buddies. Start early. Begin engagement before day 1 to build excitement. Personalize experiences. Tailor content to role, experience, and learning style. Leverage technology. Use digital tools to streamline and enhance processes. Gather feedback. Continuously improve based on new hire input. Pre-boarding. Send welcome package. Prepare workstation and access. Share advanced materials. Day 1. Personal welcome from leadership. Team introductions and lunch. Culture overview. Assign buddy. First 90 days. Create detailed 30-60-90 day plan. Schedule regular check-ins. Plan feedback sessions. Evolve your program. Continually improve based on feedback and results. Focus on connections. Prioritize relationship building and belonging. Structure the journey. Create clear roadmaps for success. Effective onboarding is critical to employee success and retention. Invest in a program that evolves with your organization and delights new team members.